If the user makes a selection, then the rounds, roles, and scores should be updated. Add an if statement to check if selected value is true. If so, reassign the number 0 to roles. Roles assigned to 0 and increment round by 1. Increment round, the incrementation, the increment 1 to the round. Then call the update stats. Then reset the radio option. And then lastly, call the update score function. And pass in selected value and achieved for the arguments. So if the selected value is true or it is truthy, then the roles would be assigned to 0 and then the round would be incremented by 1. Also, the functions update stats and reset radio option function are also called rather. And lastly, it will update the score of the selected value and achieved. So that would be it. Nice.